What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to RevRain. I'm headed to the shop to set up the 4-post lift. Finally, I've been waiting weeks to set this thing up. We finally got a skid steer there, ready to set it up. It's probably going to be an all-day thing, so I'll record it all and get some content for you guys. I'm about to get pulled over. There's a cop right behind me. I don't want to record. Okay. Thank God that undercover cop didn't pull me over. I could have sworn he followed me every single turn, and it's probably because of the camera, honestly, but I'm going to record for you guys. It's actually a beautiful day. It's like 50-something in the middle of winter, so perfect day to put this up. We don't even need the heat on in the shop. The K-truck's outside. Look at it on the cinder block. Oh, and there's a skid steer. Hell yeah. All right, look at that thing. We got the skid steer right here. That'll help a lot. And it looks like he's just clearing out the inside so we can fit this thing in here. Hello, hello. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Got a bunch of space. This shit looks sick with a carbon hood, BBS's. I like that. Got all the cars out here. This actually looks really cool. Look at that. It's like drift spec without the bumper. Got the GTI out here. And on the far side, we got the Miata. The Miata on the far side here. Looking fresh in the sunlight with an overcast light. Nice, freshly painted engine bay. Looking mint. The front end of that car looks so mean. We still have to clean out a little bit of the inside, but then after that, we can take everything out, take the trailer out, and then load everything up onto the skid steer and put it all together. It's probably gonna be a late night, but screw it. That is a big ass drill. What's the game plan?
Probably take down that post.
Yeah.
Bolt this post down. Take the longest piece with the hydraulic arm on it.
Yeah.
And set it on top of these two. That'll get us our final distance.
All right. That scared me so much. I'm terrified.
Put a mount on it.
What? Let me see. Let me see. What? You were scared.
Oh, shit.
What do you think of the Jeep K-truck?
It's great. Dude, prop that thing up on the cinder block. It's fantastic.
Yeah. The skin.
It's not
Pow! In the dick. Light that dude up.
No.
Get off my property. Got the first hill drilled. First hole drilled. Something. Me and Eli are playing with our splat ball gun. Evan's here doing work. You look like a caveman. Banging rocks together. No, you blue balled me. Got Mr. Eli Century gun. We dropped it. A little bit of leakage from when it fell. Uh-oh. I just moved it a little bit further away, but that was this close from landing on my engine. That would have been bad. Holy shit, just like...
Yeah, it's a lot away.
Damn. So it's just a fitting that can come out?
I don't know.
I mean, if it was, it's not now.
It's coming out, kinda. Spinning at least.
I think it might have stripped. It's okay.
Yeah, okay.
I just wondered what it was. Like, it wasn't a bolt.
It looks like a bullet.
It does look like a bullet, a hollow point.
If it was a bolt, it would have like a head on it. It had to be something with a...
Unless the head went
That's what...
that way.
That's what these are. Holy cow.
The threads look fine.
Yeah.
Throw this back in to protect it. Yeah. Did a pretty good job.
Yeah, it was a damn good job.
We finally got it up there and the bolts through them. This isn't bolted down right there, but he's shimming over there. That is bolted down, however. And I think that was the hard part. Hopefully that was the hard part. That's the only top cross member, right? Okay. So no more lifting 9 feet in the air. Damn, that's a lot of torque. That is very satisfying. So now that the big cross member's on, we gotta pick up these big ass ones here. I had to put the camera down, but we just slid it onto the forks there. Is he?
Maybe. Perhaps.
How is he gonna fit through this doorway? That's my question. Oh. Alarming. That was this close. Dude. This close.
Tire on the other side was like,
Oh my god. I can't believe that. Yep. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm-hmm. 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 Come together.
definitely pushed somebody's soft spot into the soft spot.
Oh my god.
Somebody
Dropped it on the floor. It's alright.
Oh, sledgehammer will fix that.
It'll bend somehow. If it bent one way, it's gonna bend the other.
It's drifted. Full auto that.
Huh?
Full auto that. I want to hear it sound. Little progress update. Got that cross beam up. Got this beam up. Got that one, threading it in. Putting the chain through that, and we got that up. It's getting kind of late. Yeah!
They got Wendy's into McDonald's. You're dumb.
There's only one option. Wait, hold on. I want this cookie to be. Let me put y'all onto something. The cookie tote at McDonald's, $5, 13 cookies, fresh, baked, probably microwave actually. Good deal. Dude, what a fantastic acrobatic move. Dude, what a gene, Evan. With that move, I don't even know how to describe that. This motherfucker is certified. You got so red. You.
Richard.
42.
R is for Richard. R is for Richard.
12,000 pound lift. Really? So we can lift Jesse's mom.
No.
Wow, that was quiet.
Good.
Are we talking about 12,000 pounds or Jesse's mom?
Yeah.
They're both about the same.
Both.
Jesse's thinking like,
Get me the scale. You never had that happen to you?
no.
What? Oh wait, do it to me.
Oh, the rollers.
That'd be a great video idea. Just get a bunch of 2 liters and no, don't stop drinking until someone throws up.
Wait 5 seconds.
You wouldn't want to see
the
me.
bananas.
So, yeah, but eat a bunch of bananas and then after that, just like keep drinking Sprite. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Damn. That throat got the move. You like going up and down.
Got that gawk gawk.
Dude, chill. I'm crack cocaine.
Don't blow in the bottle. You like cough in the bottle. Oh, we can finish it. We can finish it. Oh yeah.
I feel like shit.
You shouldn't have drank all that.
Damn.
Did he fart, Mike?
I did fart, Mike.
Was it the fart, Mike?
I fart, Mike.
First ever fart mic. Here it is.
He fart, Mike.
It wasn't that bad. I'm just.
Jack's Applebee's.
They're running to AutoZone. What the? Man, I love being the YouTuber of the group. Yeah. Yeah. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is where we will call it for tonight. The lift is all up. The only thing we have left to do is the ramps, as well as some U-bolts that hold everything in place. So these are not held in place, they're just kind of sat there. But once we bolt that down, it'll all be ready to go. And then we need to get some new hydraulic lines because they're leaking, and some fitting up there broke when we dropped it. But for the most part, it's done. And I'm super happy with it. And it honestly doesn't make the shop look that small like I thought it would. It's not that bad. That'll be the end of today's video. Please leave it a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And check out the merch, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.